Good morning, everyone. Another day working Ken's property. Haven't started yet, but I was gonna point out all these tree stumps, and there's one over there. There's a bunch of them everywhere. So, what I was thinking, since I made my mushroom things, I was thinking, and all it is a half circle. That's all it is. So if you were to cut a tree stump like this, and then you were to place it on top of it like this, you'll have a natural looking mushroom. So if you have any type of tree stumps laying around on your property, that's what you could do with them. Just cut it even vertical cut, and you know it will appear like it's a mushroom. And the great thing about it is that it has natural stuff on it. See, like this tree, it had some of this stuff here. It has all this, so it looks really, really nice. You're not messing with it, you know. So yeah, and then there's some stuff. See, there's a bunch of them. So, anyways, that's honestly the coolest thing that you guys can do with tree stumps that are just scattered on the property. And I guess the smaller they are, the smaller the mushroom you would do. The bigger they are, the bigger mushroom that you would do. So I'm gonna just show you guys really quickly. My mushroom. See? And that's the mushroom. I was actually thinking about turning these black dots into white dots. Cause this looks more like a what is it? A ladybug. So I think, see, in the base doesn't look that professional. It looks good though, but not as good as a tree stump or like an artificial looking tree stump made out of concrete. So but it's okay. This is my first one that I ever built. Besides my other one that I built with the with the water inside of it. But I was even thinking, you guys, if you guys have money, you guys could go buy a 5-gallon bucket and then get a covering, like another like a bowl, upside down bowl, and fill the bottom one up with water all the way to the top. And then I would say get the lid and attach it to the plate. I mean, yeah, to the plate, so it won't fly away or whatever. So you would have to do some thinking on how that would work or whatever, but it could work. And then the water will condensate, naturally go out, and then the bugs will be able to go in there and drink water, and everything will be green everywhere. So that's the property marker right there where I'm pointing with the gun. And then the other one is right there behind this manzanita plant. So I'm technically in the neighbor's yard. But I think Ken wants us to clean all this eventually. But we had to write the neighbors first and ask them if it's okay. Because we can't just go in someone's property and clean it. It's like, them over here telling Ken, hey, we're gonna go on your property and cut these trees down because they look like they're dying anyway. Like, no, motherfucker. That does not, it doesn't work that way. So in the same way, this motherfucker can't say, this shit looks fucking ghetto as fuck, you gotta clean it up. No. What if these neighbors like this shit? You know, what if it's fucking art to them? Some people love this. Like,